that she has to cover the whole body of her child with gauze bandage, meaning to say she would look like a mommy. She has to do that twice a day. Just imagine how expensive ang gauze bandage pa lang, ang ointments, every single medications that the doctor could give the child just for her wounds and blisters. Mahal. So that is why we have no other choice. The parents has no other choice but to seek help from other people. So karon, since twice a day man pulihan every single day ang iyang gauze bandage, namura siyang mommy. We thought that it would be effective because the purpose of those bandages is to prevent the child to get infection. But then, as the mother did that, kinabukasan, tinanggal yung gauze bandage sa whole body, dumikit, Tagalog na ko, no? Dumikit doon yung skin, adding another wounds to the child. So it failed. Ang advice sa doctor failed. So ang bata, she couldn't go to school because of her wounds, because also kung how bad she smells. She tried going to school, but she was bullied by children. Because maski gaa pa siya dinha, baho gyud siya. And just imagine fresh wounds. Fresh wounds, old wounds, mura siya og rotten and dead rat. Ingana siya kabaho. So maulo ang bata, she keeps on crying every single day. For 4 years, she has sleepless nights with pain and sa kabaho, kainit sa iyang lawas. Since ang mga advice sa doctors didn't work, because she keeps on having wounds, maski pag nagbutang nami og kaning ointments, antibacterial and steroids, tanan it failed because again the illness has no cure. So as an advocate for Hemohim, 4 years old pa man siya. I never thought na pwede din siya sa 4 years old. I asked my mentor, Miss Noemi Barna, kung pwede ba siya sa bata. And also Sir Jimmy. And they said, yes, try it. So again, I launched another donation drive in order for us to gather enough amount or donation for Hemohim para makainom ang bata. And the first people or family to believe on Hemohim is of course my family because we have already benefited from Hemohim. So naghatag og kaning my nephew Sam gave donation was the first person to give donation and then followed by Sir Jimmy and Noemi. Diha na nag-start ang kaning continued nga kaning pagpainom sa bata sa vitamin C and also Hemohim. Now, believe it or not, in 1.5 months, we have another video. 1.5 months. This 2 months and 1.5 months. Mauna na siyang itsura sa bata. Wala na, makita na ninyo, wala na ang iyahang fresh wounds. Ikuha siya, ilanghab. Kaya kanang time, magkagabi, ipainom siya og kuan, ipainom siya sa iyang mama og Hemohim, isagol siya sa ihang milk. Now, the effects of supporting the child with Hemohim was not wasted and didn't go in vain. Because in just a matter of almost 2 months now, tumigil ang pagsusugat ng bata. Tumigil as in literally. If she gets blisters and wounds, no, pag nag-blister siya, kaya normally magka-blister siya, literally the next day, mag-dry ang iyang wound. Unlike before nga magtubig-tubig o magnana. She no longer cries due to pain. She no longer cries. She could already sleep well. Her thick, scaly skin has peeled off. Manotice ninyo, kanang iyang dalunggan, ganan siya, but look at that. Look at her ears this time. Hinlo na siya. Katong iyang nagbaga nga scaly skin, it has peeled off and now replaced with new skin cells na walang sugat. Above all, hindi na siya masyadong mabaho. Di na to murag patay nga ilaga. Nawala ang malansang amoy and she's now going to school. The child is so smart. She's now going to school na walay gabuli because nagsubside ang iyahang mga